Going on. I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can fix the error where Google Maps is showing the wrong direction. So let's get right into it. Now, for the arrow or the field of view icon, if it is facing the wrong direction, so for example, if you're facing north but it's facing 10 degrees northeast, you need to calibrate your compass. The compass is pretty much exclusively on the mobile version because the PC cannot be rotated as easily, nor does it have any sort of gyroscope which will allow it to geolocate. So what you're going to have to do is tap on the compass icon in the bottom right and calibrate it through the Google Maps options. When you calibrate it, it'll ask you to point to a certain direction, and once you point to that direction, just set that direction as the direction you are pointing to, and you'll most likely have to, point it north or south or east or west, and then that setting will be calibrated correctly. Other than that, what you can also do, you can also delete interior cache on your mobile phone if it's corrupted. It might cause similar issues, and make sure that your location services are also on, and if they're on, make sure it says that they are always on for the app and not just while you're using it, and make sure you select the precise location options on your device, be it Android or iPhone. It doesn't really matter. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.